Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add team member in snov.io. So basically, first things first, you want to log in your account on snov.io, and from here, it's as simple as navigating through your own dashboard. So in here, you want to simply click on the CRM section of the choices above your screen, and then you want to click on the My Team option. Once inside this page, you can then see the My Team invite other users to your team to share your credits and recipients. Basically, you just want to type their email address right here, click on the invite button, and from there you will be able to simply add a team member in snov.io. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.